Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this neat little toy that kids can play with as a hands-on activity. They are little water critters that you actually create, and then you get them to be able to play with, which is a great little sensory toy. You've got 12 different colors and 12 different molds that you can create, whether it's an octopus, frog, dinosaur, and you've got the magic salt. All you've got to do is fill it up with 1,000 milliliters of warm water in this nice container that even comes with a lid so you can store these things really easily. And to put them together, it's super simple. I'm gonna have my daughter come in here and we're gonna put one together and then show you what they look like. All right, so to use these, all you've gotta do is just pick out your mold and then you dip it in the water for just a little bit and then get off any excess water. And then you just go to work decorating, which is so simple. You just squeeze in whatever color you want. If you want to add extra colors, you can make it a rainbow. But these are super simple and works for a variety of age children. Like I said, keeps them kind of off technology, using their imagination, hand-eye coordination. And then you come up with these little critters. You do get the net that comes with the kit, so you can easily scoop out your little guys. And after about 15 to 30 minutes, you've got them nice and thick to be able to play with. And they even give you little gloves, but these are squishy and fun. I love the way that they feel and how you can have a variety of different little guys all in one little set.